Yo, what's up everyone, it's InVideo. So, you want to create awesome YouTube content but don't want to be on camera? Totally get it. The good news is, you absolutely can. We're diving into the world of faceless videos where your creativity shines, not your face. We'll break down how to make your videos pop, even without you in front of the lens. Whether you're into tech, travel, finance, or anything in between, faceless videos can be your jam. We're talking high-quality visuals, smooth transitions, and that pro touch that keeps those viewers hooked. And the best part is, you can do all of this without breaking a sweat, thanks to InVideo's intuitive platform. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets of faceless videos and take your YouTube channel to the next level, stick around. We're about to make some magic. Let's get started. First things first, let's figure out what you're passionate about. What's that sweet spot where your interests and knowledge collide? That's your niche, your lane, your thing. Tech reviews, travel vlogs, finance tips. The possibilities are endless. Once you've locked onto your niche, it's time to map out your content. Think of it like building a house. You need a solid blueprint before you start laying bricks. A well-structured script keeps your video focused and engaging. Start with a captivating intro that hooks viewers from the get-go. Break down complex topics into bite-sized, digestible chunks. And always end with a clear call to action, encouraging viewers to like, subscribe, and join the conversation. Now, let's talk visuals. A picture's worth 1,000 words, right? InVideo's got you covered with a massive library of stock images and videos. We're talking high-quality stuff that elevates your content and keeps those eyes glued to the screen. The key here is to choose visuals that match your script, creating a seamless flow that feels natural and engaging. Whether it's stunning landscapes for your travel vlog or sleek tech close-ups for your product review, the right visuals can make all the difference. And don't be afraid to get creative. Experiment with different angles, perspectives, and visual styles to find what works best for your brand and message. Remember, visuals are your storytelling allies, so use them wisely. Chapter 3. Text overlays, your guide on the side. Text overlays are like road signs for your viewers, guiding them through your video and highlighting key points. They add context, emphasize important information, and keep your audience engaged. InVideo makes it super easy to add and customize text overlays. Choose from a variety of fonts, colors, and animations to create visually appealing overlays that complement your video's style. But remember, less is more. You don't want to bombard your viewers with too much text. Use overlays strategically to enhance, not distract from, your video's message. Chapter 4. Find your voice, AI voiceover, and music. A great voiceover can take your video from good to amazing, adding a layer of professionalism and personality. But if you'd rather keep your voice under wraps, no worries. InVideo's AI voiceover feature has got you covered. Choose from a range of natural-sounding voices, adjust the speed and tone to match your style, and bam, your video just got a whole lot more engaging. Of course, you can always record your own voiceover if you prefer that personal touch. And don't forget the power of music. The right background track can set the mood, evoke emotions, and keep your viewers hooked. InVideo offers a library of royalty-free music, so you can find the perfect soundtrack for your masterpiece. Chapter 5. The final touch, transitions and effects. Alright, your video's almost ready for prime time. Now it's time to add those finishing touches that make it shine. InVideo's got a whole arsenal of transitions, animations, and effects to take your video to the next level. Transitions help you smoothly connect different scenes or ideas, creating a seamless flow that keeps viewers engaged. Animations can bring your text and graphics to life, adding a touch of dynamism and visual interest. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Don't go overboard with the effects. Use them strategically to enhance your video, not overshadow it. Think of them as spices. A little goes a long way in creating a flavorful and memorable experience. Outro, create, engage, inspire, your faceless video journey begins. So there you have it, the keys to unlocking the power of faceless videos and creating content that connects with your audience on a whole new level. Remember, with InVideo, you don't need to be on camera to make a big impact. By following these steps, you can create captivating, professional, faceless videos with InVideo. This method allows you to reach your audience without being on camera, making it perfect for privacy-conscious creators. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of faceless videos and unleash your creativity. Your audience is waiting.